Welcome to Session 13 of Grade 11 Advanced Algebra and Precalculus. Today we study remainder and factor theorems. The focus is to use evaluation to find remainders and test factors. By the end, you should be able to do these three things. 1. Connect division by xc with p of c. 2. Use p of c equals 0 to test factors. 3. Avoid long division when evaluation is enough. The remainder theorem is a shortcut with a big payoff. When a polynomial p of x is divided by x minus c, the remainder is p of c. If p of c equals 0, then x minus c is a factor. Suppose p of x equals x cubed plus kx minus 10, and x minus 2 is a factor. By the factor theorem, p of 2 equals 0. Substitute 2. 8 plus 2k minus 10 equals 0. That simplifies to 2k minus 2 equals 0, so k equals 1. To find the remainder when q of x equals 2x to the fourth minus 3x plus 7 is divided by x plus 1, use c equals negative 1. Evaluate q of negative 1. The result is 2 plus 3 plus 7, or 12. Your turn. What is the remainder when x squared plus 5x plus 1 is divided by x minus 3? Pause the video and solve it. Here is the solution. Work line by line. Then check the final answer against the original question. After the video, complete these three tasks. Copy the model from the lesson. Solve each one fresh, and write one error log sentence about the mistake you are most likely to make. Let's recap. Remainder theorem turns division into evaluation. X minus c means evaluate at c. PC equals 0 means x minus c is a factor. Watch the sign when the divisor is x plus a number. Before moving on, write one sentence. The step I must protect is that small reflection turns the video into real self-learning.